Hi, this is Litre Total Bucks Plus. Today we have a 2008 Mazda 6, stock number 6286. This one from the 7th 2005 to the 2nd 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 3 dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.